Hey guys, I want to show you guys an amazing new product called Peek Peephole camera. Peek security camera is made by a company called LaView. LaView is a US-based company that specializes in security camera. They specialize in a wide different range of different cameras for business and for home. The Peek Peephole camera is almost like Ring camera alternative. The Ring camera is great. A lot of people have one, but it might not be the best solution for you. First of all, the installation is pain in the butt. You have to work with the wires and you have to turn off the electricity in your house. Sometimes the doorbell is in the side of the house, just like my house. So sometimes it might not be the best solution. Peephole camera sits right in the area where your peephole is. And the installation is very easy. You almost don't need any tools to do it. And it works just as good as the Ring camera. Comparing with Ring 2, the prices are very similar. So first, unboxing. Okay, so actual camera is made out of solid metal. They're very heavy. Even the monitor itself is very heavy and very solid. And everything looks good. Let's go install it. Okay, now the first thing you're gonna do is take out this old peephole lens. It should be very easy to do. For my door, I was able to easily turn the peephole by hand without using any tools. If you're having a hard time with the peephole, try to use drywall tool. Your peephole should have a little groove in one end of the lens. So you can try to stick your drywall tool in there to turn and loosen the lens. Or you could always use a wrench. Next, you need to measure the thickness of your door so you could choose a right size screw for installation. Now go ahead and put the screws in, but don't tighten it all the way. Now go ahead and take out the sticker and make sure you know which way is up. Now go ahead and insert the camera into the peephole, including the wires and everything. Now connect the cable to the bottom of the monitor backplate. Now put the bottom plate cover back on. The extra cable should go in the middle hole. And then you put the cover back on. Now get the screwdriver and start tightening the screw. Now you could put the LCD monitor on the back plate. And that's pretty much it. Okay, overall installation is very easy. I was able to install the whole thing within 15 minutes. Although I did run into a problem. One of the problems that I ran into is that the peephole in my door is a little small for the camera to fit into. So I have to go to the local hardware store and buy a little circular wood filer and cut away a little bit more space on the peephole so you could fit the whole camera inside. This is a little bit of a hassle, but I don't think it was a big deal. But this is something you might want to think about when trying to install this thing. First, go ahead and charge the display monitor using the USB charger. Now go ahead and hit the power button for a few seconds and you should be able to see the camera right away. First thing you need to do is configure the Wi-Fi, hit the setup button on the corner and then enable Wi-Fi and then go ahead and set up your Wi-Fi. It's very standard Wi-Fi setup. The main display is very straightforward. You have the date and time in the corner, battery power. Here you could watch the recorded videos and photos, and then in the middle you could trigger the manual recording and then you have the setup. Here is a setting menu. This is where you configure your camera and all the different settings. It comes with 16 gigs micro SD card, but you could put up to 128 gigs of micro SD card. Next, we need to install the mobile app on your mobile phone. Go to the App Store and look for LaView 1 app. Now go ahead and run the app. Now go ahead and create a new user on the app. Once you log in, now we can add a new camera. Here I already configured the camera already, but you could configure new camera by clicking on plus on the corner of the screen. Now under setting, firmware info, there's a barcode you gotta scan with your app. And this will automatically install the camera onto this app. Using the app is very straightforward. If you click on the device, you'll go to LaView. When the camera detects motion, it will give you an alert, and you could find it on your message section. And then you could watch the full video from there. If you turn the phone around, you could watch the full screen. In the video history, you could watch the recorded video from the cloud. Okay, just like Ring, this also has two-way communication and a doorbell. Who is it?
Hey, get out of here.
This one Peek Peephole camera is a really good Ring alternative. It's very easy to install and it does its job. If you're interested in this product, there's actually a coupon code you could use. It's in the description, and everything you need to know, I'll put it in the description. So you can go and check this out. Thanks for watching.